Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now, I haven't been uploading very much the past few weeks. I'm still recovering from being unwell with glandular fever and tonsillitis. It's just taking a little time for me to get over it, but to cheer myself up, I've got some yarn. These are a couple of the colours of the new colours of Chunky Pots from Lovecrafts. Now, Lovecrafts' own brand is PAINTBOX, and this is called Chunky Pots. This is a lovely chunky yarn. In this one, it tells you to use a UK 6mm crochet hook. That's a US 10. There's 200 grams in this yarn. And this one is called Confetti. That one is called Feeling Blue. I wish you would, I mean, on it, it sounds a little bit depressing to me, feeling blue, because that's what I am at the moment. I'm feeling a little bit down, but I think it should have had a little bit more of a cheerful name, maybe like Sea Blues or Sky Blues or Happy Blues. That would have been a little bit than Feeling Blue. But anyway, that one's called Feeling Blue and this one is called Confetti. Now, I remember throwing the boxes of confetti at weddings, and these are perfect colours for that stuff that you just throw around. It starts with shades of pink and goes right into shades of red. There is some grey in there. Now some of it goes from one colour. If I pull that out, you get a little mix. It's almost like a little tartan that goes from red to purples and then goes into that other colour. Now when you get to the pinks, there's no true brands of white in it because there's pink scattered through that as well. So each of the colours has a little confetti. Get Muttley over there moaning at me. You get all these little sprinkles of other colours in through this yarn. It's really, really pretty. It's soft as anything as well. It's really soft. Now there's 200 grams in this ball. That's 7 ounces. It's 272 metres. That's 297.5 yards. It's 100% acrylic and it's a 5 bulk weight. And you can get Lovecrafts in other countries. If you just go onto lovecrafts.com, I'll leave a link in the bottom for these yarns. But if you go onto your Lovecrafts, you can change it to whatever country that you're in. These are so pretty. Now they are around £9 of a ball, but there is a 30% discount on at the moment. Because PAINTBOX is their own brand, they do discounts a lot for the PAINTBOX yarns. So every other day there's always a discount on in Lovecrafts of some kind, and some of them can be up to 30, 45 and even 50% off. Now this one here is called Feeling Blue. It's called Feeling Blue. And again, in the lighter one, you've got that scattering of blue through it, almost like little drops of confetti. Now it starts with a dark royal blue and then it slowly goes into all these lighter colours here. So you can start in the middle and it will work its way around like that. You can start at the end and start with the lighter colours that are around here and it will go into the darker and then lighter again. And there is 200 grams in each ball. Now what I'm going to show you with this is I'm going to show you a blanket. It's going to be my next tutorial. I was just trying out my voice as well and just showing you a couple of the yarns that I got. Now I'm going to stretch over here. Now this is called the Peacock Stitch. I'm going to use that Feeling Blue one to demonstrate this. Now this is going to be my next tutorial. Look at this for a stitch. It is so beautiful. Now this yarn is a Lion brand yarn. Lovecrafts does do some Lion brand, I'm sure it does. You can check it out anyway. But look at this for colour. Now I'm hoping that this yarn, it's a self-striping yarn, this one. And it says that one as well, it's self-striping. So I'm hoping to get some of these beautiful dark blue peacock fans, and then lighter ones, and then whiter one, much lighter, and then go back into the dark blue. This is a beautiful stitch, and I've done this in. I'm doing a body wrap with this one. I'm going to make another one with these two blues as well. Look at that stitch. It's beautiful, and it's a beautiful stitch for any colour of yarn. You've got shocking pinks, there is sort of bluish greens, there's greys and purples. It's a pretty stitch in all different colours of yarn, even in that beautiful burgundy. Look at that for doing autumn colours. This is a really pretty stitch, it really is. So this is the stitch that I'm going to use that blue for, and I'll do that in my next tutorial. That's coming up right after this little video. For these paint box chunky pots, they're beautiful. I did a blanket in a brown one. I had a chunky pot and it was brownish colours, but these are a couple of the new colours and I haven't seen these ones before. So I'll leave a link in the bottom and you can go and check them out if you like. And if you get in today, I don't know how long the 30% off, I don't know how long the 30% discount is going to be on, but they do discounts all the time. So thank you very much for watching. My next video, I'm going to be using this Feeling Blue paint box yarn, and I'm going to show you how to do that peacock stitch. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please click on the subscribe button, and if you click on the bell icon, then YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So I'll get all my kit together and we'll get that blanket, and I'll show you how in the next video to do that peacock stitch.